my hand. If you want to go London, come and see me here. You run an interview, I give you interview. You come for interview, I must feel all your view. Before the London Queen will step into this bar, ladies and gentlemen, I announce the arrival of Her Royal Majesty, the Queen from London. Please, I want to beg all of you that Isul Villa Resort is declared royalty. If you are not royal, please leave this vicinity right now. Move it. Move. Not attention. Chest out. Chest out. Welcome.
Oh boy!
Touch my body.
Touch
my body. After this one, I give you another one.
Oh my goodness!
Drink up.
Oh my goodness!
Baby, drink up. Drink up.
Oh, but you buy yours Ishewuna.
Where is the barman?
I don't know being.
Where is the barman? Bring drink. Bring the show for my baby.
For you fresh.
You love chicken.
Ladies and gentlemen, I announce again the arrival of Her Royal Majesty. The Queen from London is in Isul Villa Resort. If you are not royalty, we don't want you in the house. So please, I want you to leave at once.
I'm a Livana.
I beg.
Where
is the barman? I need to eat this.
I said leave at once.
Oh God, no, they make noise. I beg. Become a control. I beg. Barman.
Guards!
Hey, they don't know who is
London
you don't know
guards!
this man.
Out!
You don't know this man that he's talking.
Hey. Who is that? Wait!
Anthony
Joshua is my brother! Anthony Joshua is my brother!
What's the meaning of this? What's the meaning of this? Give my bag! Give my bag! Give my bag!
Take their miserable phone out here.
My wig! My wig! My wig! Don't in the bath peacefully.
I know your face. I've marked your face.
My wig! I see the meaning of this. Give me! Someone will not come here and drink a beef. Come on, let's go to another place. You're going to where? My wife is there. Give us our wig!
I will call Anthony Joshua for them. Let's go.
People. You will not come here again. I'm going to die.
Her Royal Majesty, you can now have the whole of Isul Villa Resort for yourself. You can enjoy, have fun.
Obadiah, I love the way you do your work. Lovely. So lovely.
My pleasure.
If you continue this way, I could tell the Queen of England about you. You could be her PA.
Oh my God. I can't wait to be with the Queen of England herself. I have already started feeling like PA to the Queen of England.
Very good. Continue.
Thank you. Thank you. Guards.
Yes, Doctor.
Shift. Go.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. We are fine.
Good
afternoon. Yes.
How are you?
I'm fine, man. Can I help you and carry your umbrella?
Mommy, let me help you and carry the umbrella.
Mom, can I help you and carry your umbrella?
No.
Mommy, I want to help you and carry the umbrella.
Now I was supposed to talk to mom to car. Now we check it out. Shut up, boy.
If I say don't demand, Abi, no only one go abroad, Abi. No, me, shall not able to go abroad.
See, no, now that's attack. First one, I cook they go London.
Demand.
We check it out. Shut up, boy.
Mommy, my help you carry the umbrella.
Mommy,
If I say, don't
hey! What? Aku kan abang ni. Yeah. Mama, where's my? I have to carry your umbrella. No, be only mama.
Passing by, London Queen is passing by, our own daughter.
London Queen is passing by, passing by, passing by. London Queen is passing by, our own daughter. London Queen is passing by, passing by, passing by. London Queen is passing by, our own daughter. London Queen is passing by, passing by, passing by. London Queen is passing by.
Excuse me.
Hey, you don't talk to her anyhow.
It's okay. It's okay. Let me hear what he has to say.
You sure you want him to talk?
I'm sure. It's okay. You say you want to speak to me?
My name is Akunebuaju.
Okay.
Importer and exporter. Yes, I deal on pass.
Okay.
I have a 12 shop in Alaba, Lagos.
What did you just say right now?
Alaba, Lagos. I have 12 shops. 12 shops. 12.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. So somebody tell me you want to take so many people travel to London. That is why I came back so that you can take me to London. I have made money.
What did you just say?
London.
Oh, London. Okay. Okay.
Well, I don't know. So my dream, I did dream since many years ago to travel to London. For sure, I have made money. Cash, dollars. I deal on dollars.
Oh.
You understand?
Okay.
So please, I want you to take me to London.
Oh, really? Okay, that's no problem. What you got to do now is talk to my PA. Whatever he says happens, okay? Give him all your details and then he'll get back to me. So listen to him. Whatever he says happens, okay? Okay?
Okay.
That whatever you want to say to her, first of all, say me. Chukunna na chukunwa. Agebuzo hu chukunwa. Tupana hu chukunwansa. Na chukunna. Akwena wata. You see me first before anything. Sure you had her properly.
All right.
Attention! London girls, attention! Get ready to move. The London Queen is still moving around. 1, 2, go! Dear daughter, silent.
Ọmụma asalu nneni maka o. Elebu ukwu ewu nneni maka o. Angela ba yo bia gba alu megwu. Apu go ba yo bia gba alu megwu o. Apu na nwe nne bia gba alu megwu o. Nne Angela ba yo na sini maka o. Angela ba yo na sini maka o. Apu go ba yo bia gba alu megwu. Nne Apu go ba yo bia gba alu megwu o. Alo obodo ayo bia telu megwu o. Angela ba yo na sini maka nne elebu ukwu egbo na sini toka o. Angela ba yo ni bi fe neli Aku go buy your new beef and
Hey, please stop that nonsense. Onye egbu ife na-eri. Oyiri ga-ewu. Oyiri ga-ewu nata igo. Obu ihe na-eri. I was thinking you are here to praise her.
What's he saying?
He's like trying to take advantage of you.
Oh.
Yes.
That's wrong. That's wrong.
Now move. Get out of this place. Out.
Shoo.
Out. London Queen is passing by.
Passing by. London Queen is passing by. Our own daughter. London Queen is passing by. London Queen is passing by. Our own daughter. London Queen is passing by. London Queen is passing by. Our own daughter. London Queen is passing by. London Queen is passing by. Our own daughter.
I be London captain, there's no two ways about it. Whether you like it or not, oh, captain be your guy.
Obiadada, good evening, sir.
Point of correction. You don't address me as Obiadada. If you want to address me as London Captain.
I'm sorry, sir. Please, pardon my manners.
You are welcome.
London Captain.
Good.
London Captain.
That's it. How may I help you?
Please, London Captain. This is my daughter Helene. I beg you, carry her come. Make you help us. Put her name for the people who want travel go to London. I beg. Anything where you want to do with them, I beg you, do them with them. Anyhow you want them, she is willing and ready. The most important thing to us, to me in particular, is make our names enter the book. I beg.
You want me to include her name among those who will be traveling to London?
Yes, London Captain. I beg.
You want me to take your daughter to London?
Yes, my London Captain. I beg, help us, please. Anyhow, please.
You people want to go to London?
Yes, sir. London Captain.
And do you know the criteria of those who are going to London? Do you know the content of those who want to go to London?
No, sir.
Anyway, like I said, you say she is your daughter.
Yes, sir.
I am going to run some interview on her. Yeah. When I mean interview, I didn't just mean an ordinary interview. I will take her inside the room. There are personal forms that she's going to look into and then get them signed to know if she's really qualified to go to London.
Yes. Interview. London Captain. Please, any kind of interview where you want to do with my daughter, do them. She is willing to do anything as far as our names go enter for the people, to the book of the people where they go London. Accepted. From me, by me, and on me. You hear me, Chief? You, anyhow, where you want to do the interview, do it well. I'm okay to go house, I beg. Do the interview well. If you finish on time, you come back. You no finish, do the interview till you tomorrow morning. London Captain, live long.
Papa, bye-bye.
A sị na ọ bụ onye bụ igu ka ewu na-eso. Okwu a dịbalụ gboo, mana kịta I have really come to understand the reason our Igbo people used to say, Onye bu Igbo, ka ewu na-eso. How old are you, young lady?
London Captain, I know you think I'm a small girl. Forget my small size or small body. Oh. I am 25 years old.
You are?
Yes, 25 years old. So I'm not a small girl, I'm a big girl. Look at me now. I'm a big girl. I can do anything.
Are you serious?
Yes, of course.
Oh, you choke me. This your last statement choke me, but I like it. I was even looking at you as I was thinking you were underage. Yes, because there are some number of age that London people will accept freely. I was scared, but now that you mentioned your age, wow. Are you a virgin?
Eh?
Are you a virgin?
Virgin. Moi, virgin. I'm not a virgin, no. Now today, since I'm 16 years old, men 16 years can't take her. I'm not a virgin, but I am a basin. Yeah, if I open, you enter, I feel to allow you. Yes, asarala mo kowachi mo kwa mo konere. There is no virgin now.
That special. Oh, you walk on ere. O tege bakara.
Maybe today. Oh.
Wow. In that case, we are going to run some personal interview, like I said.
I am ready. Let's be fast. I am ready. I can't wait to go to London. In London, London. I cannot wait. Let's be
fast. Okay. That's good. That's good. That means the captain will capitalize on your visa. Hey. I, the captain, will capitalize on your visa.
London Captain, thank you. Thank you.
Can you go inside?
Yeah, Basara London, Abu Mubuyanishio. Na business I day, na business we day.
All hail the London Captain! 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 All hail the London Captain!
You give me, I give you, problem no go day. Angelina, one name is a ruler in Nakao.
Madam, there is a man outside the gate. He's not slim, he's not fat. He's not even looking rich. See, they want to see you.
Who is he and what does he want?
Don't worry. I can take care of that.
Okay.
Move. What do you want to see my madam for?
As everybody they come here, they come see here, they shake hands with them. So me I say make I come join the moving train. I follow shake hand with them.
As a bondaran. As everybody they come here, they come shake her. I want to come shake her. Give man koteloko ka adawa. Eh? Do you know the level of my madam?
I know.
You came to see her with nothing. Not even a goat or nama or cow. Not even cola nut or crates of drinks. You came empty-handedly. You want to come and have a handshake with somebody who eats and dine with Queen Elizabeth.
Now only handshake I say make I come follow collect from your madam. You demand the goat and the cow.
And so then what? You want to have a handshake with a colonized British woman and you don't have anything. See, let me tell you. If you must have a handshake with my madam, you will pay 20,000 naira for handshake. Yes.
20,000 naira for ordinary handshake.
Ordinary handshake. 20,000 naira cash.
If na hug, I won't come give him one call. And I'm going to pay 100,000 naira. Too much now.
Then you are not here for anything. See you some other
no. Wait. Small thing like this, it don't take things. I beg, look, I give you 5,000 naira.
So?
5,000.
5,000 naira. You want to shake the body?
Huh?
You should equal parents the naka. Ki waste ko come body. Ki should equal naka. If you equal then na hanwuru naka. Ndon odibenia. Please may his soul rest in peace. We are talking about a colonized British woman and not just any other person. Ki get naka for 5,000 naira. How dare you open your? If you talk that thing again, can't take a share in here.
Please don't be annoyed. I make I add some more money join and can make 10,000. Yeah, we're going where but this is the only one I can be able to run around and raise. Please, I need that handshake. Please.
It's not that the 10,000 naira is enough, but I'm going to manage it just because of you. Because that handshake you are going to shake her now will benefit you and your family something. Yes. Once you equal visa, British colonization.
Please, is it possible for me to even give her a hug?
Bring your money.
Oh, Biada. Look at your Biada, whom I know very well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, go on no aqua in the chassis and one inch. Obi, this is 8,000 naira. Just hold it. But Obi, I'm supposed to pay you after the deal now.
Ichi, if not for your red cap, I mean British button. Is
it a pay before service?
Give me the money. Don't make me talk too much.
Take it now.
You
don't give receipt?
I mean, you get that warrant. Now, I'm a quapam so when you have a receipt, I get you 8,000 naira. Come get the fishy colonia receipt. 2,000 naira. I get what they no cotage. My guards will come to your house and bundle you out.
I will bring it. Please, what if I can be able to raise 1,000 or 2,000 and join this 10,000? Let me have a hug.
Okay, be by inside. Oh yeah, move.
Thank you.
Hey, don't touch the gate. Don't touch. London guard, open the gate. Now, hey. Walk small. Don't walk. Okay, move. Your Majesty.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Madam, this man here is from the palace. Huh. Yes, Igbo sent him to come and welcome you officially. In fact, to have a handshake with you.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay. Hello.
Hey,
how you doing?
I never know you.
Okay. How is it Igwe?
It's Igwe.
Yes, Igwe.
I don't mind. He's fine.
Oh.
You said I should send his regards to you.
Okay.
Okay.
You can now go.
Come happen now. Hey, I don't know you. I'm going to do some more.
Mba iga agbabiri anu. Gbabiri ngugbo anu. Ma geshi ngugbo nkuwa gani.
Happen now. One okay. Please, I should take my leave. Huh?
Yes.
Now, God, I'm going to be on my.
Send me well to the Igwe.
I will do that. I must definitely do that. Make it has baby itchy. Come be your man. Hey, I can't put Elizabeth.
Obiadada, what does it mean when he calls me Apunnamu? A lot of people call me that. Apunnamu. He just called me that. He called me Apunnamu.
Oh, no. It's not Apunnaga. It is Apunamu. Apple. Now.
Now.
Say it again. Apple now.
Apple now.
Oh my God, that is it. That simply means that somebody who doesn't go out of the sun. You are always indoors. Either you are under the shed, or you are taking AC inside your car, or you are in your room, or you are pressing phone. It's fine. Somebody who could your name with her name. Yeah, that's what it means. It's a good name. They are trying to praise
it's
you.
Lovely. It's lovely.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh, the weather's quite hot today.
Oh yeah, quite hot today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I was.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Obidaga, what's wrong?
Good afternoon.
I don't know.
Oh, the Maichi. This one you are tying nylon on your hand. I hope all is well.
All is well, my sister. Have you not heard of Angelina, the Adobodoibo?
Okay.
That came back from London. I used this my precious hand to shake her. After shaking her, being one Adobodoibo, I decided to preserve this hand so that I will use it and shake Queen Elizabeth when she comes to Nigeria, or when I and my family goes to London. That's why I tie this nylon. You know that?
This is serious, so. You mean you will not remove this nylon for anything? Even if it means washing your hands?
I reject it. I can't. Whether I wash the hand though or not, it does not disturb me for anything. All I care about is London. Queen Elizabeth.
Don't you consider the medical implication for not washing your hand for a long period of time?
Medical implication?
Yes.
My own hand. Whether medical implication or spiritual implication or physical implicatment, I don't care. I don't care. All I care is about this my hand. If it is possible for me, I can even tie one leg and reserve them for London. In the middle, all the while I have been walking around the village without tying my hands. Have you given me money before? If you want to greet me as your uncle, you greet him. Then I greet him. No, I forget it. By the time I go to London and comes back, I want to give him another film.
Carry it till eternity now. Carry it till eternity. Imagine. Ha! This thing is serious, so it's getting out of hand. Ichiago.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray! We love you all.